Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson that is add fractions with unlike denominators. Add fractions with unlike denominators. The first thing you need to do is you need to make their denominators same. You always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So 2 times 3 is 6. You need to multiply this fraction by 3. So 1 by 6 plus 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. You need to make the denominators same. Like the denominators are same now, you just have to add the numerators. So 1 plus 3 is 4. That equals 4 over 6. The correct option is 4 by 6. Let's just start with the test questions. One by 2 plus 1 by 6. The correct option is 4 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option, that 4 by 6. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4. The first thing you need to do is you need to make the denominator same. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4. So 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. So let's just multiply this fraction by 2 make their denominators same. So that would be 1 over 8 plus 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. See, they have the same denominators now. You need to simply add their numerators. So 6 plus 1 you have to do. That is 6 plus 1 over 8, that equals 7 over 8. So the correct option is 7 over 8. It is option number 2 is the correct option. One by 10 plus 2 by 5. 1 by 10 plus 2 by 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. Let's just multiply this fraction by 2 because 5 times 2 makes 10. 1 over 10 plus 2 times 2 is 4, that is 4 by 10. Simply add the numerators now. 4 plus 1 is 5, that is 5 by 10. That is 5 by 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Four by 9 plus 1 by 3. 1 times 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. That is 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9. That is 7 over 9. The correct option is 7 by 9. That is 7 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. One by 6 plus 1 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's just multiply it by the 2. That is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So you can just add the numerators. That is 3 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 by 6. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Let's just multiply this fraction by 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. 2 by 4 because 2 times 1 is 3. So 3 over 4 it is. That is 3 by 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtract fractions with unlike denominators. So we have to subtract exactly the same way we had. We have to make the denominators same first. Okay, so when subtracting, you need to do exactly the same thing. The first thing you need to do is just make the denominator same, then you can subtract. You have to do 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So 3 times what number is 6? 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 divided by 3 times 2 minus 6. 2 over 6 minus 1 over 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 1 over 6. 1 by 6, it is option number 2 is the correct option. Two by 5 minus 3 by 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So 2 times 2, 5 times 2 minus 3 by 10. That is 4 over 10 minus 3 over 10. That is 1 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 1 by 10. 7 over 8 minus 3 by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 over 8 minus 2 by 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. That is 1 over 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 by 8. Two by 3 minus 5 by 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have to multiply this fraction by 9 by 3. 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. 6 over 9 minus 5 over 9. 6 minus 5 is 1, that is 1 over 9. That is 1 by 9. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 1 by 9. Five by 8 minus 1 by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 over 8, 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 4. 5 over 8 minus 4 over 8. That is 1 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 1 by 8. Nine by 10 minus 1 by 2. 9 over 10 minus 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10. That is 4 over 10. That is 4 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have to multiply this fraction by 3. So just multiply the fraction by 3. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6. That equals 2 by 6. Option number 2 by 6 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 divided by 3 times 2 minus 6. 2 by 6 minus 1 by 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 1 over 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 6 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. And just move on to next lesson. Add track fractions with unlike denominators word problems. Let's just start with the test questions. In Georgetown's wig shop, one third of the wigs are blown and one sixth of the wigs are ruined. What fraction of the wigs are either blown or ruined? So, which is the correct option? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So, we need to make the denominator same. So, we have to multiply this fraction 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is you need to add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So that is 3 by 6. Let's just divide both numerator and denominator by 3 because they have the common fraction. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Of the pies that Trisha's pie shop sold last month, half of the blueberries pies and one-sixth were blackberry pies. What fraction of the pies were sold were either blueberry or blackberry? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 6. 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6, that equals 4 by 6. Divide both numerator and denominator by 2. That equals 2 by 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 2 by 3. At the hardware store, 3 by 10 of the nails are size 2D and 2/5 of the nails are size 4D. But fraction of the nails are either size 2D or 4D. Three by 10 plus 4 by 10. That equals 7 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Brooke is knitting a scarf with her grandmother. Yesterday, her grandmother used half of a skein of wool and used 1/10 of a skein. How much more wool did Brooke's grandmother use than Brooke's? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's just multiply the fraction by 5. 1 by 10 plus 5 by 10. That is 6 over 10. How much more wool did Brooke's grandmother? The grandmother used half. You need to subtract actually. That is 5 by 10 minus, that equals 4. 2 by 5, it is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yours today. So we were working on grade 4 math. Chapter we were working on is add fractions with unlike denominators, subtract fractions with unlike denominators, with unlike denominators, word problems. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your question confusions if you have any. Any questions if you have any? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.